Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see a very important real-time scenario-based SQL problem for Power BI development. Okay, so here you can see this is our sales table. Now product ID, sales date, transaction ID, cost price, sales price, city and state. We have to get the states where sales is 80% of total sales. Okay, so for that what we can do, we have to get first what is the total sales by state. So for that what we can write, select state comma sum of total sum of sales price as total sales. From sales table, group by state. Okay, so like this we will get total sales by every state. So now we'll put it in a city with sales by state as. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to get cumulative sales or the running sales by states. Okay, so for that what we'll do, we'll create a nested city cumulative sales as. Okay, I need these two, select state I need, and I need total sales also. State total sales, and what I need to create with window functions, right? So sum of total sales over order by total sales descending as running sales. Okay, and what I need to get the grand total. Okay, what is the total sales of all the states? So for that also we can write sum of total sales over, like this. So it will not go order by total sales, it will get what is the sum of the sales for all the states. Okay, so this one we can write like grand total. Okay, from sales by state. Okay, now if I run this one, if I run this city, so we will get what is our sales by state, what is our running sales, and what is our grand total. Okay, this is the maximum value here, you can see this is the grand total. Okay, now the thing is that we need 80% of the sales from where 80% of sales from which states are coming. Okay, from which states 80% sales are coming. To get this, what we need to calculate where the running cells, okay, is less than or equals to this grand total, okay, where grand total of 80% of this grand total, okay, wherever it will go, like wherever it will see after summation, wherever it will see it is the 80% of this grand total, it will give me the states from where the 80% cells are coming. So I can write select state total cells from cumulative cells where running cells is less than equals to 80%, that means 0.8 of grand total, okay. So what it is doing, so it will see when the summation is being 80% of this grand total, okay, whenever it will see it is 80% of this grand total, it will give me the states which are involved. So if I run this one, here you can see these three states are contributing 80% of the total cells, okay. So like this you can calculate. So if you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys, thank you.